It is important to identify the panels you require by checking the numbers on the panels with your instructions. Place a panel at each end of your working area. Snap on the front wall bottom channel. And then the front wall top channel. Now slide in the door frame jamb. Once in position, screw them to the panels. And repeat this process on the other side. Now attach the invert below door and then slide in and attach the invert above door. Flip the panel over and secure the last 4 remaining screws to the inside corners of the panel.